Assalamualaikum. This is 𝐒𝐤𝐝𝐫. Recently, I completed my IELTS academic course successfully. My batch number was HZ13724 and my instructors were Saidur Rahman sir and Srijan sir. Throughout this entire journey, I get help and support from HEXA'S Zindabazar. If I talk about my instructors, I think I will run out of my words because they were very helpful and supportive throughout this entire journey. Whenever we face any kind of difficulties, they always help us, and I think it is very beneficial for me. Their valuable instructions and guidance really helped me a lot to overcome my difficulties through regular practice. One of the best system of HEXA'S Zindabazar is donation system. Personally, I really like this system a lot because it really pushed me to complete my each and every task regularly. I believe that by following the instructions of my instructors and benefiting from the supportive environment at HEXA'S Zindabazar, I was able to earn this award. Honestly speaking, I am grateful and honored to be selected as a best performer of my batch because it truly inspired me a lot to work even harder for achieving a good band score in my IELTS examination. Furthermore, I also attended free partial exams for each module and also joined speaking care as well as reading and writing care each and every day, which are very beneficial for my IELTS preparation. Additionally, HEXA'S Zindabazar often arranges some competitions like set speech, debate and spelling bee competition. By participating all of them, I enjoyed a lot because this competition gives me opportunity to learn numerous number of vocabularies which are very important for IELTS modules, and also it gives me opportunity to enhance my confidence and fluency in English. Another most important thing I learned from HEXA'S Zindabazar is punctuality, time management and confidence. I think if we want to achieve a big thing in our life, these three things are very important for us. Lastly, my journey was started from 28th of September, which was ended on 8th of December. My experience over these 3 months was tremendous and I am grateful to be a part of this beautiful journey. That's all about my experience.